Today we're going to talk about rotation, how to create more rotation in your golf swing, how to separate your upper body and lower body, and we're going to do all this through the lens of strength and conditioning. We're going to use exercise as the tool to create better movement, better range of motion, and ultimately a better golf swing. Wall drill number 1. We got our wall. We're going to get nice and close so our shoulder's almost touching it. Soften up our knees. We're going to hinge forward a little bit. We're going to stick our body, the inside part of our body, closest to the wall, right onto the wall. Palms on the wall, our shoulders stuck into the wall, hips on the wall, knees on the wall, foot's on the wall. Right? So those are our sticking points, all staying locked into that wall. Nice and soft. You should feel already your hip, your butt, right? All these muscles in your hip kind of working and stabilizing your body. So once we're locked in, we're going to think stable lower body, loose and long in our upper body or our spine. So hand on hand, right? We're going to rotate as far as we can and back to that start point. So again, stable lower body, mobile upper body. Rotate that torso, rotate your thoracic spine. Nice and smooth range of motion, right? Keeping our angles. So we're not rounding our back at all. We're not rotating and then standing up tall. We're going to lock in this one spot, spine straight, stuck onto the wall, soft knee, rotating through that range of motion. Drill number 2, we're going to use the same wall. We're just going to switch the position. So instead of down, we're now going to go up to this top position. So we're going to get our knee at 90 into the wall, right? So I'm putting pressure still into the wall. My hand, my shoulder, my knee, my foot, my hip, all pressed into the wall. Only difference now, I'm going to open up from the inside part of my body, and I'm going to rotate open and back to close. So as I rotate now, the stable parts that are sticking to the wall are just my knee, my hip, and my foot. So my upper body is free to rotate and turn from one side to the other. Right? Another variation is, if we want to go from here, we can do number 1, open, keeping that knee on the wall. Number 2, round. Number 1, open, rotate. Knee, hip, foot all stay on the wall as I rotate. And then open it up. Right, so now we're going to go down to one knee, right? Same idea. I'm locking my body onto the wall. I'm going to pin my palm, my shoulder, knee, hip, foot onto the wall, right? We're going to rotate inside and rotate back. Rotate inside, rotate back. Second variation, we can do both. Rotate in, back, and up.